I have a question. Why is it that I need to progress in the face of adversity? Specifically by the assholes who come here to my building and make noises that I would hear at my own apartment, noises that would attempt to destroy my brain 24/7. Why do I have to deal with it? We are not living at times of war. Why do I have to pretend like I'm a soldier that has to train under conditions that are bad conditions? I am not training for a war or to become a soldier. So why is it? Why is it that I'm expected to train under adversity? Why?